For the most part, most of your questions on your homework are just like straight from the notes. It's the same thing. Except there are a few that are a little different. One of them is like, it gives you a segment. X, Y. And it says construct AB so that AB is equal to 2XY. So it's like you're copying XY down twice. So I draw an array and I label my endpoint A. This is like number 2. I copy down my length XY to my new array. And I want AB to be the length of 2 times XY. So then I take my compass, which has the measurement of XY, I put my pointer on the intersection, and I draw another arc. So then this length right here, that intersection, I can label B because the length of AB is twice XY. So that's like number 2. Yep, that's all you have to do for that one. Number 3 deals with subtraction. I'm using different letters so that I just am. I don't care. So that you actually have to apply what I'm doing to what you're doing. So this is just adding. We want to create CD so that CD equals AB plus XY. This is very similar to what we did with the first one, except we're just going to copy AB once and XY once. So I make an array, and I'm going to label my endpoint C. The first thing I'm going to do is copy the length of AB down onto my array. I want CD to be AB plus XY, so then I'm going to take my compass and I want to measure out the distance of XY. Then with that compass measurement, I put my pointer on my first intersection point on my array, and I make another dash. That second dash is where the point D goes. So CD is this section, which is AD, plus this section here, which is XY. Number 4 is a little different because it says, okay, let's construct CD, but this time CD has to be AB minus XY. So again, you start out by drawing an array, label the endpoint C. We take our compass measurement and we're going to copy the length of AB down to our array. Then we take our compass and we're going to measure the length of XY. So when I measured AB plus XY, I went this way with my compass. I added on to it. When I'm subtracting, I'm going to mark inside so that I'm taking away from what I have right now. So again, that second intersection is what you're going to label D. And CD is the length of AB minus XY. You did that right? I hope so too. Okay. The only one else that I think you'll need help on, the rest are very similar to your notes, is number 5. No. Number 6. So, on number 5, we have angle C. Yeah, I'm just saying we need the angle C from. Angle 6 says construct angle F so that angle F is equal to 2 times angle C. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy down angle C twice on itself. So we start out by drawing an array, and we're going to label the endpoint F. Then we're going to take our compass and we want to copy angle C. So I put my pointer on C and I draw an arc that intersects both lines of the angle. With that same compass measurement, I put my pointer on F and I'm going to draw another arc. Then, at angle C, I'm going to measure the distance between those two intersection points with my compass. When I have that measurement, I copy it down, put my pointer on the bottom intersection point, and I'm going to make a dash right there. I went like this, got the measurement, came down here, and copied that. Okay, so you can make that a point. You're going to draw a dashed line through this because we're not done yet. Right now, angle F is just the length of 1, or it's the same measurement as angle C. We want it to be the length of 2C. So then we just treat this dashed line like our bottom angle and we copy C over again. So I take my compass and I get this measurement of the arc that I drew, the bigger arc that I drew. Okay? Then I put my pointer on F and I'm going to extend my arc. You already did that? So your arc goes up here? Okay. So again, we're going to measure the intersection points of our arc and the angle lines on C. So you measure it like this, and then you put your pointer on the dashed line this time, and you're going to copy that measurement and draw a little arc there. So we measured here and copied it down here. Then you make those intersections a point, and we draw a ray from F through that point, and now angle F is 2 times angle C. Okay? So those are the tricky ones that we didn't specifically go over in our notes. But you should hopefully be able to do them now.